The 1976 Lancia Beta Coupe was an elegant and sporty Italian masterpiece that combined refined engineering with a stylish design. As a two-door variant of the Beta series, it was developed to provide a dynamic driving experience while maintaining Lancia's reputation for luxury and innovation. The exterior was sleek and well-proportioned, featuring a wedge-shaped profile that embodied the spirit of 1970s European sports coupes. A distinctive front grille, round headlights, and sharp body lines gave it a unique character that set it apart from competitors. The sloping fastback roofline added to its aerodynamic appeal, while chrome accents and alloy wheels enhanced its premium look. Under the hood, the 1976 Lancia Beta Coupe offered a range of four-cylinder engines, all featuring Lancia's advanced engineering. The base model came with a 1.6-liter twin-cam engine, producing lively performance suited for spirited driving. A more powerful 1.8-liter and the top-tier 2.0-liter engine were also available, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for their time. The engines were paired with a smooth shifting 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring an engaging driving experience. The power was sent to the front wheels, a rarity among sporty coupes of that era, giving the Beta Coupe a distinct handling advantage with excellent traction and stability. On the road, the 1976 Lancia Beta Coupe delivered an agile and well-balanced ride. The front-wheel drive layout, combined with an independent suspension system, allowed for precise handling and confident cornering. The ride quality was firm yet comfortable, making it a pleasure to drive on both winding roads and highways. The lightweight design contributed to its nimbleness, while the responsive steering provided excellent feedback. Braking performance was strong, with disc brakes on all four wheels ensuring reliable stopping power. Though it was not the most powerful sports coupe of its time, its well-engineered chassis and refined driving dynamics made it a true driver's car. The Lancia Beta Coupe was a testament to Italian automotive craftsmanship, blending performance, luxury, and practicality into an attractive package. It competed with models like the Alfa Romeo GTV and BMW 3 Series, standing out with its distinctive styling and advanced engineering. Today, it remains a sought-after classic among enthusiasts who appreciate its unique blend of sportiness and sophistication. Prices for well-preserved examples vary widely, with collector-grade models commanding higher values due to their rarity and historical significance. For more classic car reviews and in-depth automotive content, be sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Stay tuned for more exciting features on legendary vehicles that shaped automotive history.